So I just installed this little solar powered fan I got off Amazon for like $100, and I gotta say I'm reasonably impressed. It was super easy to install and didn't come with any instructions, but it really lights up in here and the fan works great. Not sure what a couple of these settings are, but got a couple of different functions you flip through. Meh. 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 Fuck me, man. Meh. As we're getting later on in the week and it's getting close to time for me to leave, I'm gonna knock out a few of these final projects here on the homestead. And the temperature gauge on this Alice Chambers has never worked since I got it. So I ordered this new one. Now I've never changed one of these and see where it runs into it. So I'm gonna give that a try. And maybe I won't have to wait till the steam all blows out of the radiator to tell it's overheating. Well, like 2 hours later, I got it put in and it's working. Alright, when I bought this property, it came with this cistern. It feeds out of the mountainside here from an underground cave. But it has electric ran to it up to the pole behind the cabin. Don't really know anything about it though. I've kind of looked inside of it a few times, but you know, it looks like there may be a sub pump and some type of other mechanical mechanism. So if anybody has any idea on how to get this thing going, please hit me up. I'm trying to get some water ran around the farm here. It runs about 10 spigots up that way, but it's been completely submerged by the river several times, so I don't know if that messed up the electrical components or what's going on with it. Now this is what feeds the cistern. This water consistently all year long gets pumped out of this pipe. It just flows out from a cave. And what I did is I went to Lowe's yesterday and I bought a water testing kit. So I'm just gonna grab some of this water out of here. I'm gonna go back up there and test it. The farmers that lived here before I bought the place said they've been drinking out of this since probably the 30s or the 40s. So I'm assuming it can't be too dirty. So I bought this little test kit from Lowe's to test the water. And it seems simple enough. You just hold it down here. Dip one test strip into a sample of freshly drawn water for just 2 seconds, then remove it. Lay test strip flat with the pads facing upwards. Wait 30 seconds for the colors to develop. So dip it down for 2 seconds. 1, 2. And then lay it flat. All right. It's been the proper amount of time, and I'm just going to match these colors with the chart here to see if it's safe to drink. I'll let you know how it goes. I'm out here working on the roof of the cabin. I've taken this kind of elastic paint and painted over every single screw I got up here. I had some leaks the other day, but I'm getting to replace these boards on the top of the structure. Kind of a bad design for the cabin, but either way, got a lot of leaks coming through here. So I've officially, with the purchase of the new bush hog there, have outgrown my original barn. And I don't really have the cash flow to build another one and or the time. So I picked up a canvas barn off Amazon for about 300 bucks. And I plan on putting it back there. Now, how good it's gonna be, I don't know. It's Amazon, so you never know. But the intent is to this kind of be the entrance to it, and then it just stack up right behind my hard structure barn there. That's the canvas barn all set up. I didn't put the front end on it just because there's only one door on it. And this connects to my other barn there, but reasonably impressed. Not as flimsy as I thought it was gonna be. It's actually pretty solid and bumped right up against my other barn. Looks a little janky, but we'll call it a double wide.